Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ceejaybrand. Of course, we are back with another video, another unboxing for some more technology. Now, the product we are going to be reviewing is going to be the third one on this channel. Of course, if you guys already stay tuned, you guys follow the channel, you should know exactly what we're finna unbox. Yes, I already know. But let's go to get right into it. We are definitely going to be unboxing. Now I'm just playing. Do me one big favor before we go ahead and start this video, please and thank you. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for some more. Go ahead and also hit me up on that Instagram as well. My Instagram name is Ceejaybrand. I need all the followers, I need all the subscribers, I need definitely the like and comments on this video because it will definitely help me grow as a person and it'll help you guys enter a chance to win some more vlogging. Well, not even some more, but no, I will say some more because I did do a vlogging giveaway already on my Instagram account. I haven't picked the winner out just yet. We're still adding, but I'm going to be doing something special for my YouTube subscribers. I'm definitely going to be giving away a ring light. It's not going to be the one that sits on your desk. It's going to be the one that sits over there, you know, a standing one or whatever. So I'll be giving you guys the exact same stuff that I use. Everything that I do use is definitely in the description below. So go ahead and hit those links. Those are all Amazon affiliate links. So you guys can go ahead and pick up any products that I have under there. Like all of my unboxing stuff is definitely going to be under those. Just depending on if Amazon actually has them, because sometimes they don't have the products, which is very, very strange. Amazon, you guys need to get that together. Now I'm just playing. I love you guys, Amazon. You know how. Now, but let's go to get right into the video. So today we're going to be unboxing a brand new drone as well from PROTON. Oh my god. From PROPEL, sorry about that. This right here is going to be the PROTON micro drone. So we went ahead and got this from Microsoft as well. It was actually free as well. We did not purchase this at all. So big shout out to you guys at Microsoft once again for giving us this brand new drone. This right here is going to be a stunt drone. So let's go ahead and get into the video. This right here is the PROTON micro drone. You guys definitely went ahead and enjoyed that little short clip of that drone right there. So some cool things about this drone right here. I am going to be looking down on the camera just a tad bit because I am going to be reading up the box. Just want to give you guys a realistic view of everything. So this drone right here, this is the first one I've ever I'm going to actually take this one serious, you know, look at it and fly the drone because I haven't flown my other drones at all. So this right here is a PROTON micro drone. It's indoor and outdoor. It is wireless as well. A cool thing about this as well, the special feature that is listed on the box right here in the red, it definitely states that this right here has an altitude lock sensor. This is going to ensure that there's a stable flight. So during not rain, but you know, if it's windy outside or something like that, you can definitely fly this drone and, you know, have fun with it without having to worry about, oh, it's going to fly away. It's going to actually stay in one place for you and everything's going to be stabilized. So let's go ahead and see what else we have on here. So it definitely has 6-axis gyro that keeps the micro drone stable in all conditions. So I'm pretty sure that the 6 axles, they definitely do work with the altitude lock sensor. That'll be a very cool feature as well for this. We also have a push button, 360 aerial stunts. I'm going to definitely test that out. I'm not going to show you guys it in this video because it is midnight, unfortunately. However, I will try my best to get some good stuff with this. I still have to do videos for the other drones, but I can't do them because I live in St. Louis, Missouri, and it's been everywhere outside. Like, it's been raining. We have a little bit of snow, hail out there. It's just been windy as crazy. So I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna try our best to do it. So some more things about this right here as well. It definitely has a let's see, we got new T mode that helps beginner pilots learn how to fly. I'm gonna be using a T mode. I don't know what it is, sadly, but I'm gonna be using it because I am a new pilot. Another thing as well, it also has air pressure sensors that lock flight altitude for stable flight. So yeah, okay, so cool. So I guess the air altitude lock sensor is going to be the air pressure thing and also the 6-axis as well. So let's go ahead and get right into this box. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Once again, no more kitchen knife right here. M-Tech. that beautiful knife. I'm not sponsored by anyone at all, by the way, you guys. So M-Tech, I'm not sponsored by them, nor Propel, nor Morpheus. Nobody, not one person. I'm really just doing all this out of fun. So let's go ahead and get right into it. And that's open already. I hope so. Yep, right into it. Alright, so that's pretty cool. So of course, when you open up the thing, same as always, you know, you get to use your you get the user manual. This right here just tells you know what you can do. This is the instruction booklet. It comes with the drones, come with extra flaps with it. You get a 2.4 giga. Well, I ain't gonna say 2.4 gig because it just say 2.4 G. So maybe that, who knows? It's a wireless controller. It comes with spare parts, a USB charger cord, and also, of course, what I'm holding, the instruction manual. So that's that right there. Then of course, also we went ahead and got. Looks like we got the Earth. We got the Earth basically. This right here just saying if you have any problems, you know, who to contact and stuff like that. Here goes the controller menu as well. This is how you can actually use the controller. I believe this is going to show you. Yeah, I guess it just shows you what's on the controller and how to actually use the controller. So that's pretty helpful right there. And then here we go. It looks like we have a limited 90-day warranty on this. We got repair and replace products, preparation for shipping your product, and also an important notice on the back of this. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get into the drone. Oh my gosh. This ain't no drone, y'all. This, I guess I could fly this in room. I thought it was gonna be big, but that's the drone, guys. I was not expecting this to be that small. Like, wow. I mean, I guess. I mean, it was free or whatever. So the drones that we had unboxed earlier in the season, in my season, because these are seasons, man. So this season too, we got a new camera. The lighting is better and everything. Nah, I'm gonna say this season 1.1. Season 2 will be coming soon. This is horrible. So let's go ahead and see. So of course we got the same exact remote control that we had last time. Definitely does need some batteries in the back of it. I did learn that you can start the drone up, I believe so, by holding these two like this, or maybe something different. This depends. Cool. So it looks like they gave us a screwdriver as well, so I can go ahead and, you know, open that bad boy up for us. I know this isn't what I think it is. They gave us a USB. Okay, never mind. I thought it was a USB because in my other Propel drone, it has a camera with it, and they gave us like a USB to stick the micro in there. And I was like, okay, was this in here too? So that's not it. So in this bag, I'm not gonna open it all the way. We have the charger. I guess I will have to open it up. We have our charger cable right here. That's going to be used for the drone, I believe so, since it's battery packed. And then we have some wings. So we got like, I think like 8. Yeah, we got 8 more wings and stuff. So that's pretty cool right there. And then also in this bag we have, okay, cool. So these are the grips for the controller that they were talking about. It looks like. Okay, yeah. So that's where those going to go, like right there. I'll actually go ahead and put those on right now. Just to show you guys a little something. Okay, cool. They go at the bottom. Alright, cool. That looks so weird now. But there go the new controller. It looks so strange. Oh yeah, it actually is pretty nice and everything. You know, you can hold it like this instead of, you know, holding it like this. But definitely like that right there. So let's go ahead and get right into the drone. Okay, this drone got some little weight on it or whatever, so that's pretty cool. It is. Looks like it may be some type of like aluminum that they made this out of with, so it's not that bad or whatever. It is have, like I said, it's like a little bit of weight on here. I want to estimate this probably weighs like probably just like I'd say about 5 ounces. Nah, I'm tripping. Like an ounce probably, or probably less than that, honestly. So this is that drone right here from Propel. It's not that bad at all. Like I said, it is very small. Let's see if we can turn it on right quick. Nah, we can't even turn this on. I'm gonna plug it up right quick to see, you know, what's going on with that for us. Yeah, because the other drones that I had was pretty cool. I thought I broke it. I'm like, So yeah, it's pretty cool when when you have companies that are giving away a lot of stuff, and especially for YouTubers and stuff. You guys, we can all check this stuff out. Like, this stuff is free to everybody. Let's see if I can plug this bad boy in. All right, cool. So I got that plugged in for us now, and let's see. All right, cool. So that's not gonna be working for us, unfortunately. We're gonna have to charge this bad boy up. So I don't know if I should do like a video review on this PROPEL, this Proton from PROPEL. Honestly, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. As of right now, I'm not thinking that I should do one just because of the size of it. But let me know what you guys want to do, because I'll do one. I can actually do like a compilation of all three of my, all three of the drones I do have. Even though I did test fly the big one, and that one, let's just say that I already had to replace a wing on there. So that was horrible. That was my fault. I wasn't following directions. When it says don't fly in winds, do not fly in winds. So you guys, I'm just placing everything back in the box right quick. Just don't want to lose anything because it ain't that hard. So yeah, that's all we have today for today's video for that Proton by PROPEL. So yeah, like I said, if you guys would actually want to see me do this flying thing, definitely go ahead and leave some comments down below. Make sure you guys go ahead and like on this video. Please subscribe to the channel. It will definitely help me out in the long run, and it will also help you guys out for sure. Make sure you guys also hit the notification bell for some more content, and also I will be dropping a video real soon just to let you guys know how can we actually enter the giveaway. The giveaway is 100% free. All you have to do is just pretty much like the video, comment on the video, tag some friends in on your social medias for sure. Matter of fact, I think what I'm going to do is just to make it more easier for all of us, I'm going to have to do it on Instagram. That way, we won't, violate anything from, YouTube or whatever. So we're going to actually head over to our Instagram account. I'm going to make a post real fast. I'll be making a post actually starting next week. We're going to do a fresh week on Monday, most likely. Don't hold me to my word. I might do it sooner. This depends on how, everything goes. So yeah. Like I said, go ahead and do me one big favor. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below. Definitely let me know if you guys want to see that video of this drone in the sky, or either in a room. I don't care which one you want to see it. There's going to be some type of epic failure. So yeah, that's all we have for today's video. Until next time, we'll see you later. Peace out.